I've had a few people ask me if this is worth $229 Canadian. It's tough to say. Guess it depends what you're looking for. Is it worth 3 times more than this guy? Probably not, but it's like anything that's super high end. You're paying for, diminishing returns for sure. But that said though, this thing does feel really nice in your hands. Rubberized grip all the way around. Battery lasts virtually forever. But this is the second one of these I've had. First one, right trigger on it, was just very catchy. It would like push it there and it would just kind of catch and just felt gross. So I sent it back to Microsoft. They sent me another one. This one's been good, but this one's not without its own flaws. And what happened on mine, these little sliders back here that control trigger stops, well, I don't know if you'll be able to see in the video, but they have little rubber covers on them, and on both sides they've fallen off. Now luckily I didn't lose them. I think at this point in time all I can do is get some crazy glue and stick it back on there. But other than that, this one's been solid. I actually have a buddy of mine too, same thing. I think he had his for a few weeks. Something went wrong with it. Now he's had a new one from Microsoft now. The weight on it though is definitely significant, so that's why I got the scale. I just want to show you here. This guy here, that's 331 grams. And the regular controller here, again, I've got batteries in there of course, 295. I mean, that's 35 grams difference. That's a pretty big difference really. Like, you really notice it when you pick them up. So I've kind of switched around. This is the original D-pad here. Throw in the more of what I refer to as a stock style one here. I guess after you use this one for a while, you won't go back to this one. So I leave this guy on there. Yeah, of course it comes with this case. Charge it up in here. All in all, it's good. Would I buy it again? Yeah, I think so.